Hello, my name is Holman Orlando Malpica Hernandez. I belong to the cream industry, which belongs to school basic science, technology, and energy. I currently live in the city of the Bucaramanga, Santander. It is challenging in which he personally have the attitude to carry it out without having the main basis of the train. I am worried of the improving for motivation and personal and work development. The process of development in scale language is an opportunity that allows us to project ourselves in the future to move abroad. I would like to learn be alone in English courses where they allow me to start from scratch with the purpose of the solidifying basis the English language.